Hello friends, I am Gayatri. Welcome to my YouTube channel Gayatri DC. Today's topic of video is infection. So definition. The lodgement and multiplication of microorganism into human body tissue is called infection. Lodgement means to make an entry in. So what are the type of infection? Primary infection, secondary infection, nosocomial infection, focal infection, heterogenic infection and cross infection. Then primary infection means exposure to pathogen for the first time is called as primary infection. Or secondary infection means a new infection which occur when host resistance is lowered by the pre-existing infection is called as a secondary infection. Or nosocomial infection means is also called as hospital acquired infection. Focal infection means infection at the localized site. Or heterogenic infection means infection to patient by activities of surgeon or physician during the medical or surgical intervention. Or cross infection means infection to patient from another infected person. Then sources are humans. The commonest source of infection in human are human themselves. Then animal, many pathogens are able to infect the both human and animal. So animal source, cattle are a source for the tetanus and tuberculosis. Sheep are the tetanus and anthrax. Dog for the rabies. Then next हम देखेंगे insects. Blood sucking insect may transmit the pathogen to human being. The disease cause is called as arthropod borne diseases. और जैसे कि मॉस्किटो कॉज करते हैं मलेरिया, डेंगू फीवर और येलो फीवर. Then next, food, water and soil also a source of infection. They may act as the source of infection. Method of infection. Contact. Infection may acquired by a contact which may be direct or indirect. Sexually transmitted disease such as syphilis and gonorrhea illustrated spread by the direct contact. Or indirect contact made through the agency of fomites which may objects such as clothing, toys and pencils. Inhalation is also the method of the infection. Respiratory infection such as tuberculosis, influenza transmitted by the inhalation of the pathogen. Such microbes come out by the patient into the environment in the secretion from the nose or throat during the sneezing, speaking or coughing. Next, ingestion. Intestinal infection are generally acquired by the ingestion of the food, drink contaminated by the pathogen. Next, insect. They may act as the mechanical and biological vector for the infectious disease. Congenital. Some pathogens are able to cross the placental barrier and infect the fetus in utero. It is known as vertical transmission from mother to fetus. इसे हम कहते हैं vertical transmission. Then one term is the teratogenic infection means intrauterine infection with rubella virus, especially at the first trimester, which lead to congenital malformation. So thank you for the watching my video. Hope you understand the topic very well. Please share with it your friends and thank you.